Question number 1. Dee's mother gave her 4/7 of a pan of brownies. She and her 3 brothers equally shared them, as shown by the shaded part of the figure below. Decompose 4/7 to show what fraction of the brownies each person received. So that was her and her 3 brothers. That's 4 people. So if we decompose in 4/7, figuring out how much each would get, each one of them would have got 1/7. So that's 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 4/7. So each one of them would have got 1/7 of the pan of brownies. Question number 2. Travis downloads music to his MP3 player. 2/6 of the music he downloads is rock music, and 3/6 of the music is country music. What fraction of the music Travis downloads is either rock or country music? Really important, we need to box in the question. And we're saying, what fraction of the music Travis downloads is either rock or country music? So, we'll go down here. It's got some other steps down here. Before we go ahead and answer it, we'll go ahead and see what it says down here. It says, use 2 different colors to shade the fraction model below to show your answer. So, we'll go ahead and look, and it's saying that 2/6 is rock music. So we'll go ahead and color that in red. So 2 of these. Just do it really quick there. That's 2/6. And looks like 3/6 of the music is country music. We'll color that in blue. So 3/6 of the music is country music. So what it's wanting us to do is write an equation that represents all the fraction model. So we go ahead and add 2/6 plus 3/6. Okay, and whenever we're adding fractions and they have the same denominator, they both have 6, that means in our answer is going to have the same denominator. It's going to be in 6th, and all we have to do is add the numerators together, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's saying that, so our answer is 5/6 of his music is either rock or country music. So, and this part right here is the answer for down here. Question number 3. Mario paints 3/10 of the fence with red paint and 4/10 of the fence with blue paint. What fraction of the fence does Mario leave unpainted? So I'm going to box in our question, pay real close attention to it. And it's saying, what fraction of the fence does Mario leave unpainted? Unpainted. So we're going to try to figure out the part that's not painted. So let's go ahead and look at it. So 3/10 of the fence is red. So we'll go ahead and do that. That's 1, 2, 3/10 right there. And 4/10 of the fence is blue. We'll go to that 4/10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to go and figure out what fraction of the fence is not painted. Looks like 1, 2, 3. So 3/10 of the fence is not painted. Question number 4. Use numbers and pictures to show 2 different ways to decompose the fraction 3/4. So I'll go ahead and draw a picture here. Okay, that's fourths there. I'll do another picture here. And that's fourths there. So one way to decompose 3/4 is I could go ahead and do 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So that's 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. Or I could go ahead and do 2/4 plus 1/4. So separate the problems out. So 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. Question number 5. Miranda baked 2 cookie cakes for her party. Each cookie cake was cut into 6. Miranda ate 2 pieces, Anna ate 3 pieces, Levon ate 2 pieces, and the other 3 guests each ate 1 piece of cookie cake at Miranda's party. Shade the model to show the cake eaten at the party. So we'll go ahead. Yeah, so Miranda, she ate 2 pieces. Okay, Anna ate 3 pieces. 3. Okay, Levon, he ate 2 pieces. There'll be 1 there, 1 over here. Get Levon. And the other 3 guests each ate 1 piece. So that's 1, 2, 3. They each eat 1/6 of it. You need to box our question in. Okay, what improper fraction is represented by the shaded model? So we know improper fractions. On an improper fraction, that is a fraction that has a numerator that is the same or greater than the denominator. So it's the cookie is cut into 6. Each cookie is cut into 6. So our denominator is always what the whole is broken down into, and it looks like, we'll count the pieces. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be 10/6 is the improper fractional amount of the cookie that was eaten. Right there, 10/6 right here. Okay, next it's asking, decompose the total amount of cake eaten into an expression with fractions that represent the amount eaten by each person. So we'll go ahead. Miranda's was 2/6. Need to add Anna's, which was 3/6. Then Levon was 2/6. Okay, then the other 3 guests each ate 1/6. And if you add all that up, it equals 10/6. And that's what goes right here in our blank. So we decomposed the fraction, and we showed the improper fraction for the amount of cookie that was eaten at the party. Okay, we're now on question 1 of the guided practice. Okay, Melanie baked 1 dozen holiday cookies. 4 cookies were stars, 3 cookies were candy canes, and the rest of the cookies were snowflakes. Okay, which of the following equations does not show the part of the cookies that were stars and candy canes? So we box that in. We'll look at the part which is not does not show the equation for the stars and the candy canes. So we'll do the stars. Our stars are red. And I guess I should have made my candy canes red, but we'll do the candy canes orange. Orange candy canes. So if we look at our equations right there, it looks like on answer choice A, the 4/12 that represents the stars, and the 3/12 represents the candy canes, and that does equal 7/12 because 7/12 are stars and candy canes. So let's look at the next equation. The next equation is showing 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12, which is the stars, plus the 3/12 equals 7/12. And that is what our equation is. So we got a true statement there, a true statement there. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one, we have 4/12, which is the stars, and then we have the 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12, which is candy canes, 3 of them, equals 7/12. So that's a true statement. And next, let's look at the last one, answer choice D. So I have 4/12 right there. That represents the candy canes. 5/12, that doesn't look familiar. 3/12 represents the candy canes. And go ahead, I guess the green will be the snowflakes. And that's our snowflakes right there, which is 5/12. This is the whole thing. So that's the one that is not, does not show the stars and candy canes. So that is our correct answer choice. That's one that is not. Question number 2. Luigi's Pizza uses 1/4 cup each of 6 different toppings on the everything pizza. Which number sentence shows the total cups of toppings on the pizza? Box in that question. Okay, and it says, which number sentence shows the total cups of topping on the pizza? So if we look at it, they use a 1/4 cup of 6 different toppings. So that sounds like, if I was to try to calculate that out, that sounds like 6/4 to me. I'll write that over here to help me remember 6/4, because there's six toppings, and each one has a 1/4 cup right there. So, and I can kind of look at my answer choices and figure this out. Whichever one doesn't show fourths is definitely not going to work for us. That shows fourths, but that shows 6/4 plus 6/4 plus 6/4. Okay, that sounds like a lot of cups of topping, and that is our total right there. So it's not 6/4 plus 6/4 plus 6/4. We can eliminate that one. This one down here is talking about sixths. We can eliminate our sixths. So if we look at it right here, this one shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toppings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different toppings. So on this one right here, remember, whenever we're adding fractions that have the same denominator, the denominator is not going to change. So right here in our answer, it came up 6/24. So that doesn't work for us. But on this one right here, this does work. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's fourth of a cup. So 6/4, and this is our correct answer. And that is also an improper fraction. So we're going to end up with more than a cup of toppings on this pizza. Okay, question number 3. Kiefer noticed that the chocolate bars sold at the school fundraiser were divided into 6 equal parts. Over 2 days, he and his brother ate a total of 26 candy bars. Which model below shows the candy Kiefer and his brother ate? Go ahead and box that question in. So we're trying to find the model that shows that they ate 26 candy bars. So let's go ahead and just answer each one of these answer choices right here. Answer choice A, we have 6 plus 6 plus 3 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 3 would be 15. So that one says 15/6. Okay, answer choice B shows 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 6. 6 times 3 is 18, plus another 4 would be 22. So that shows 22/6. That's kind of close. Answer choice C shows 5 6 plus 5 6 plus 5 6 plus 5 6. And that's pretty easy problem we do, because 5 times 4 is 20, so that would be 26. And our last one, so that looks like that may be our right answer choice there. Last answer choice is D. Is 6, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 6. And we know 6 times 4, because there's 4, 6, 6, or 4 holes there. That's 24 plus another 2 would be 26. 26 6. So it looks like our correct answer choice would be C, which adds up to 26. And it just looks kind of odd, that answer choice, because it looks like on that one they ate 4 candy bars, all except for one piece of them. But that's the correct answer. Question number 4. Avery practiced the tambourine a total of 11/12 of an hour. He divided his practice time into smaller parts. Which of the following does not show a way Avery could have decomposed his practice time? So we go ahead and box our question in. I want to read that again. It says, which of the following does not show a way Avery could have decomposed his practice time? So we're looking for the one that is not correct. So we'll go ahead and just go ahead and work out each of them. If we look in the answer choices there, all of them are saying that they equal 11/12, but I'm guessing that one of them does not equal 11/12. So we'll go ahead and add them all up. Number 1, we'll start with the bigger numbers, 5 plus 3, that's 8. We've got 9, 10, and 11, so that's a true statement. That one's true. The next one, I have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that one equals 12, so I'm thinking that one is our false statement. Next one, we have 6 and 2 is 8, and then plus 3, that's 11, so that's a true statement. And the last answer choice there, 4 plus 7 equals 11, so that's 11/12, so that's a true statement also. So the one that is not true is answer choice G. That's the one that is not a way that Avery could have practiced his or decomposed his practice time.